The Savi 7300 Office Series is an ultra-secure wireless DECT headset system for desk phones and soft phones. Included in the box with the headset and base unit is an AC adapter, the Quick Start Guide, a telephone interface cable, and both a USB-A and USB-C cable. Connect the Savi 7300 Office Base to your telephone using the telephone interface cable. An electronic hook switch or EHS cable and handset lifter are available if you want to answer desk phone calls remotely from your headset. Connect your headset system to your computer using either the USB-A or USB-C cable supplied in the box. Then download Poly Lens for Windows or Mac by visiting support.hp.com/s-n/poly. This allows you to customize your device through advanced settings and options. When you put the headset on, adjust the band so it fits comfortably. Carefully bend the microphone boom so it fits 2 fingers width from the corner of your mouth. To position the microphone on the right or left side, rotate the boom up and over. To answer and end a call, tap the call button. To adjust the volume, tap the volume up or down button. To mute while on a call, tap the red mute button. The corresponding light on the base of the Savi 7300 will turn solid red when muted. To make a desk phone call, place your headset on and make sure it is powered on. Tap the call button and if required, lift the telephone handset. If you do not hear a dial tone, turn the base over and adjust the switch from A to G. Setting works for most desk phones. Use your telephone dial pad to dial the number. By default, pressing the call button on your headset will select the desk phone audio source. Use the Poly software to change to PC or press the computer button on the base. Then use your soft phone to dial out. If you are using an EHS cable or handset lifter, your headset will ring to alert you of an incoming desk phone call. Tap the call button to answer the call. Otherwise, you will have to lift the telephone to answer the call. Your headset will also ring to alert you of an incoming soft phone call. Tap the call button to answer the call. For the Microsoft Teams version as indicated by the Teams button, the LED shows the following Microsoft Teams related features. Solid indicates connected to Microsoft Teams flashing for 10 seconds, then off indicates the headset was unsuccessful in connecting to Microsoft Teams. Please make sure the Microsoft Teams desktop application is running. Pulsing indicates there is a Microsoft Teams event notification. At this point, pressing the Teams button will bring the Teams application to the front of the screen for easy viewing of the notification. You are now ready to enjoy your Savi 7300 Office Series wireless headset.